In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix a Trello login error step by step. If you're stuck on the login screen, dealing with a login loop, or not receiving access after entering your details, don't worry. This is a common issue, and it's usually very easy to fix. I'll walk you through the most effective solutions so you can get back into your Trello account quickly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. The first and most common fix for a Trello login error is clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes your browser stores outdated session data that conflicts with Trello's login system, especially since Trello now runs under Atlassian accounts. To clear your cache in Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cookies and Other Site Data, and Cached Images and Files. Make sure the time range is set to All Time, then click Clear Data. Once that's done, completely close your browser, reopen it, and try logging into Trello again. If that doesn't work, the next step is to try logging in using Incognito mode or a private window. This disables extensions and ignores stored cookies, which helps you test whether the issue is browser-related. In Chrome, click the three dots and select New Incognito window. Then go to Trello.com and attempt to log in. If it works in Incognito mode, the issue is likely caused by a browser extension or corrupted cache data. In that case, you may need to disable extensions one by one to find the problem. Another very common reason for login errors is Atlassian account migration. Trello accounts are now connected to Atlassian, so instead of logging in with just Trello credentials, you must log in through your Atlassian account. If you're seeing login loops or being redirected repeatedly, make sure you're entering the correct Atlassian email address. Try going directly to id.atlassian.com and signing in there first. If you can log in successfully on the Atlassian page but not through Trello, log out completely from both sites and then retry from Trello's homepage. If you're stuck in a login loop, here's exactly what to do. First, manually log out by going to id.atlassian.com and selecting Logout. Then clear your browser cache again just to reset the session. Close all browser tabs completely. Reopen your browser, type Trello.com directly into the address bar, and log in fresh. Avoid using bookmark login pages if they're outdated, as that can sometimes trigger redirect errors. You should also double-check that your browser is fully updated. An outdated browser can sometimes cause authentication errors. Go to your browser settings and check for updates. Install any available updates, then restart your browser before trying again. If none of these steps work, try using a completely different browser or device. For example, if you're using Chrome, test Firefox or Edge, or try logging in from your phone using mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. This helps determine whether the issue is device-specific or network-related. In most cases, clearing cache and cookies using Incognito mode, confirming your Atlassian account login, and fully logging out to break the loop will resolve the Trello login error quickly. And that's it. You now know how to fix Trello login error step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.